Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Firebase Authentication for login flows, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the Firebase console and click on Add Project. Follow the prompts to name your project and select your default Google Analytics settings. Once your project is created, navigate to the Authentication section in the left sidebar. Click on the Get Started button to enable authentication features. In the Authentication Methods tab, choose the sign-in method you want to use, such as email/password or Google. Toggle the switch to enable the selected sign-in method. If you chose email/password, you can configure any additional settings like password complexity and sign up email templates. Then, go to your preferred code editor and create a new application. Install the Firebase SDK by running the appropriate command in your terminal or command prompt. Import the required Firebase modules into your application files. Initialize Firebase within your application using your project's configuration settings. To set up authentication flow, create a login form that captures user email and password. Add event listeners to your form to handle form submissions. Use the Firebase Authentication API to authenticate users with their credentials. In case of successful authentication, navigate the user to a different page or display a success message. Handle errors appropriately to inform users of any issues during the login process. For sign-up functionality, create another form capturing necessary user details. Use the Firebase API to register new users and send them verification emails if required. Test your authentication flow by trying to log in with registered and non-registered accounts. Lastly, consult official Firebase documentation for any advanced configurations or optimizations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.